Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also in my Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok account. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you the very majestic falls here in south part of Cebu. Welcome to Mantayupan Falls of Barili. This is where also getting their Cebu 1, okay, their hydroelectricity mini hydropower plant of Barili, Cebu. So this is the entrance, guys. So pathway landscaping project. So naay duha ka falls. First falls height is 98 meters, ang second falls is 14 meters. So entrance of 40 pesos. So they're following protocol, no face mask, no entry, wash your hands before entering. Okay, so as you can see their pathways.
Kamong tanan kauban sir?
Okay guys, mandatory for 40 pesos ang entrance plus life vest 50 pesos, so 90 kung maligo ka. Okay? Ma'am, kung natay ko ano gamit tag ka ng table wala ra.
200 ang table na to
So
sir.
200 daw ang table nato kung mo gamit ta. Okay?
Rapol sir. Ito ipon na Dari na ko.
Okay guys, this is the iconic pathway going to the falls. So as you can see,
Dang. Dang.
so they have their toilet. Napod sila dito kung mag overnight na sila. So this is the first falls. So this is very nice because it's hanging bridge. So going there. Hi Cha. Did we? Grabe kalihok. And there you have it, guys. Okay, this is considered as the tallest falls here in Cebu, having 96 meters high. Okay, get nearer. So na sila dire grilling station. Pwede ra. Okay. And then environmental protection area. You can see. So get near ta. Inani kabugnaw ang tubig, guys. Okay. So as you can see, nara sila area nga asa dapit ang liguan. So just because of the pressure, the current of the water. So wearing of life jacket. So na po sila raft. Okay, as you can see at my back, so what's an amazing Barili's treasure. Okay, so very nice. Okay, so let's have 360 degrees. So as you can see at the back mo na siya ang atong kuan, hanging bridge para makaabot ta diri sa falls station. Okay. Okay. So sa side sad no, as you can see or as you can observe, since the pressure and the current of water kusog kayo, so naadyo siya yung mga effect more on the grasses. Okay. Karon guys na ako sa first nga falls atong aton. Okay, so this is the first falls. Pero kakita ka na to sa taas mo to ang second falls. Okay. So usually dili ang kaliguan. So munaog ta para makitaan gyud nato. Okay. Okay. First fall. Ang hanging bridge. Okay. So as you can see. Okay, closer sa ilang first fall, and then this is the